Today, India is an emerging medical tourism hotspot. Hyderabad, a medical tourism hub. Hyderabad is one of the few cities in India that boasts of a unique cultural fusion. Today, modern super specialty hospitals have become the norm in the city, making high quality, affordable healthcare a reality. There is really no better place in Hyderabad for international healthcare seekers than Star Hospitals. Star Hospitals was established by a group of highly qualified professionals to improve the quality of healthcare in the city. Our hospital is home to highly skilled doctors, all of whom are experts in their own fields. And our infrastructure is on par with the best hospitals in the world. All our services and systems have been thoroughly scrutinized by the NABH, while our Department of Laboratory Medicine is accredited by the NABL. The NABH and the NABL are trustworthy quality assurance standards in India. The services we offer are vast and varied. However, we are particularly renowned for our departments of cardiology and cardiothoracic surgery, pediatric cardiology, nephrology, neurology, metabolic surgery, and orthopedic and joint replacements. We also offer fast-track programs that make for extremely fast recovery rates. The average length of stay at Star is extremely short. Till date, we've handled around 2 lakh outpatients per annum while performing over 10,000 surgeries and procedures each year. And cardiothoracic surgery department is headed by Dr. Gopi Chand Mannam, who has led his team to perform over 27,000 surgeries in the past several years. Also, part of the team is Dr. Lokeshwar Rao Sajja, a senior cardiothoracic surgeon who is one among the 4 surgeons from India to be honored with a membership in the acclaimed American Association for Thoracic Surgery. Minimally invasive cardiac surgery is another specialty of the cardiac wing at Star Hospitals. We conduct an average of 2 minimally invasive cardiac surgeries every day. Till date, our cardiac department has conducted procedures for all age groups, from days babies to 90 years old patients. Our cardiology department is headed by Dr. Ramesh Gudapati. He was the first in India to have introduced and popularized the concept of interventions through radial artery approach. He had one of the largest experiences in the country in performing coronary angioplasty and stents through radial artery approach. Star Institute of Neurosciences and Trauma offers some of the most comprehensive neurological services in the city. Percutaneous endoscopic lumbar discectomy (PELD) is an advanced surgical procedure offered here, wherein patients literally walk out at the end of the surgery. This department is led by Dr. G.V.S. Chaudhary, who is actively involved in neurological research. The Department of Orthopedics and Joint Replacements is where our experts carry out all kinds of joint replacements using state-of-the-art surgical techniques. The department is equipped with a full-fledged rehabilitation and physiotherapy center and a pain clinic for painless post-surgical recoveries. Dr. Neelam V. Ramana Reddy is the head of this department. He has worked not only in India but also in the UK, where he adopted the latest technologies and advancements in orthopedics. He specializes in minimally invasive total knee replacement.
कंप्यूटर से होके वॉशरूम जा रही थी, लेकिन जब सीना आए तब से ये सब ठीक हो गया है। मैं डॉक्टर को बहुत थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन अब मैं इनके साथ चल सकती हूँ, इनको साथ लेके चल सकती हूँ.
My knee started giving me problem after I had a fall. So I went to Dr. Neelam Ramna Reddy on advice of some of my friends who had got operated by him. He said, I think you might require surgery. I mean, I had doubts, what will happen, how the pain will be. He answered all my questions, whatever I asked him, as to how big the cut will be, what anesthesia would he use. I went through the surgery. It just took hardly an hour. Main thing was there was no pain. First I used to do walking, sitting, getting up, everything with pain. Now it was all painless. I go out for walks, I go here and there and everywhere and enjoy life. That's what it is.
Star Institute of Renal Sciences offers treatments for all kinds of nephrological and urological disorders. A dialysis unit runs round the clock to facilitate quick treatments. Imaging-guided precision renal biopsies are conducted routinely in the department to provide accurate tissue diagnosis, which helps keep the treatment options aligned in the best possible direction. We also have a highly successful renal transplant program at STAR. An able team of nephrologists led by Dr. Rajshekhara Chakravarti, senior transplant surgeon and anesthetists, intensive care specialties from the core of this program. The STAR Minimal Invasive Laparoendoscopic Surgery is headed by Dr. Narasaya B. Gold, who is one of the pioneering laparoendoscopic surgeons in India.
This is Mr. Samir, 53 years old male patient. He is suffering with obesity, 210 kg weight. Apart from that, he was having difficulty in breathing. That's called sleep apnea. He has difficulty in getting up and walking because of the weight, and also arthritis of both knee joints, breathlessness, hypertension. He has tried various means to reduce the weight, including the dieting, various slimming centers, but that has failed. So he came to me for the bariatric surgery. First, initially he had a very high, assessed to be having a high risk because of the weight and also condition of the lung, obstructive sleep apnea. After the initial assessment and treatment, we have done a laparoscopic sleeve gastrectomy, a type of the bariatric surgery. The procedure took around 2 to 3 hours. The patient recovered very fast after procedure. He was shifted to the room after 2 hours observation in the ICU. He was there 48 hours in the hospital. Then he was discharged. He is on the liquid diet now. Now he is able to get up by himself. He is able to walk himself. Within the short span of 10 days, he has reduced 19 kg of the weight. He feels better, and over a period of 1 year, I am sure that he will lose minimum 60 kg to 90 kg.
Our hospital is a preferred destination for those seeking endoscopic metabolic surgeries in the city. The facilities at STAR are unparalleled in the city. Our neurology department is equipped with a video EEG, a 32-channel 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128-slice CT scan machine, and a dedicated neuro ICU. From world-class ICUs to ultra-high-end microscopes and operation theaters, we have everything in place to ensure the best possible healthcare for our patients. Hyderabad is located in an easily accessible part of India. Foreigners from Middle East can easily reach the city within 3 to 4 hours. This ensures that the patients can quickly avail the finest medical treatment and fly back in the quickest time possible. People from the Middle East have a cultural affinity for Hyderabad due to its strong Nawabi heritage. With its famous mosques and dargahs, the city is like a home away from home, for many such tourists. The rich Arabian influence is still seen today in many aspects of the city. Tourists can choose from multitude of hotels and service departments for their stay in Hyderabad and enjoy the salubrious climate and hospitality. Many doctors with prestigious foreign degrees have settled down in Hyderabad, ensuring that medical tourists here get the best possible care. Star Hospitals boasts of a 99.2% success rate. So, when you choose Star, you can rest assured knowing that you're in safe hands.